Lan is turning 12 and I promised her that we will go on a date again. I said I'll take her on a shopping spree and we are currently going to do that right now. So, ang gusto ni Lana, pantulong. She went all the way here kasi gusto niya ng pantulong. These are the ones you use. What colors? Ito yung favorite niya. So that's what you want? Wala pa ba kayong pang kids na pajama? Sige, gawin natin. Hindi ko kasya naman sa'yo. Sa Lana's first choice, he was like, Kuya, I really want to get this. I was like, what?
Pantulong.
Such a simple girl. That's all you wanted. But we're done na. Day's done.
No,
Okay, we're going home. Huh? Okay, pantulog done. Now, shopping talaga. Mga clothes talaga. Okay na, uwi na tayo. Okay na yan. So, I left Lana for